So we got a couple mice. My homie Swallow Gaming let me borrow his Logitech G303 Shroud Edition to unbox. All right, let's check this bad boy out. Play with the SkyPad a little bit more because I haven't really played with it that much. I play with it a little bit. All right, let's see what else is in here. This is interesting. I never held a G303 before, so this is the first time. The G303 Shroud Edition. It's bigger than I thought it was. Was your very first game mouse? Really debating on copping one, just so expensive. I kind of feel the same way. Like, it's a little pricey. It's a little pricey. That's why I'm here. We're gonna test it out today. See if the price is justified. And if it's not, I'm gonna keep it a buck with you. Okay, I don't know what that is, but whenever I like smack the mouse down, there's like some kind of like pinging vibration or something. I don't feel it like in use. But even like when I do like a micro adjustment and like hit it, there's like a vibration. I really don't know what's going on with this right now. So the scroll wheel, even when it's on the table, when you flick it, you feel like this insane vibration. When you scroll up, you can definitely feel it. But when you do like a hard scroll down, you definitely feel it. And like when you move your mouse and then relocate it on the pad, you feel a vibration. Like if you just smack it on the table, it's crazy. But nobody really does that. When you set the mouse down, you feel like a vibration up at the top, like in the scroll wheel area. I'm not sure that if that's intentional or if that was happening on the original G303. I don't like that. I don't like that. I'm gonna keep it a buck with you guys. So the shape of this mouse is kind of interesting. It basically forces you like into a claw grip. So the XM1, and the reason why I bring up the XM1 is because to me, the XM1 and the Burst Pro are like the ultimate claw mice. And it's because like the claw grip feels natural on the mouse. And this is like a forced claw grip. Like basically it goes right to the back of your palm if you have pretty big hands. Like this part here lands right at the back of your palm. So it doesn't necessarily feel like you have support, but basically it's just there. Like this is how you grip the mouse. You grab it here and you claw it, and that's it. Now we're gonna see how my aim is. I don't know, guys. First impressions, like just even doing like small relocates on the table, I just know that vibration is killing me. First impression, this mouse makes me want an XM1 wireless even more. You gotta have big hands, and you gotta claw it no matter what. That's the only way. But we're gonna play with it and see what it's really all about. I mean, the clicks feel fine. The clicks feel better than the Superlight. Side buttons are all right too. The mouse skates, these are definitely better than the stock Superlight mouse skates. The Superlight mouse skates stock were like super thin and kind of scratchy. These on just a regular desk pad, these feel very smooth. So I don't see like a need for aftermarket skates on this at all. This is probably where the heck is this? Oh, you put the USB dongle here. I mean, I would think that it would be here, but that seems like it would be kind of hard to get out. And you can't pull it all the way. That's just weird. I don't know why that would do that. So I think the clicks sound pretty good. But yeah, basically this mouse, I like that it has USB Type-C. That's great. The grip, before I use it in game and I see what my aim looks like, I'm not the biggest fan of it yet, but I'm gonna give it a fair shake. This is the little dongle and whatnot. Soft rubber cable that's probably trash. And yeah, we'll move on with life. Yeah, that's fine. That keyboard looks way too expensive for me to be all right with it, to be honest. Dude, I think my audio might have fixed this out.
You need to
The enemy carrier has revealed
Oh! Ah! Yo!
much better.
Oh, try to bet.
Oh, it's like a respawn.
overshield inbound.
Kill.
Overshield available.
What happened to my shots? I must have game chat on.
I don't think I've gotten one kill yet.
Dude, I don't like how you can't pick your game mode though. That's kind of annoying. I don't know what the hell they were thinking with that.
Gamers and whatnot, we shouldn't have that garbage. Long range, this AR doesn't really do much. Just to let you know. Just to
So
let you know.
I should use a pistol long range.
Basically. Jesus Christ.
What was that? Oh, that was that burst weapon you were talking about.
It might have been a sniper. Not sniper, but like this Destiny type scout rifle we got in this game. Gimme, gimme.
Allied carrier.
Go ahead and reload it, boy.
Enemy has the ball.
Seize the scout. Got the pistol.
Ooh, I see you.
We have the ball.
Over there. Hostiles inside.
Yeah, I got you, dude. I got you. Got your revenge.
Ball dropped.
Allied carrier down.
Enemy has the ball.
Enemy shields
Ball
down.
dropped. Double kill. Triple kill. Killing.
Classic kill.
Ball dropped. Enemy has the ball.
Take him
He
down.
dashed.
An ally
You gotta pick up the ability.
We have the ball.
reloading.
Yo, yo. Oh my God, Jesus Christ.
That energy beam gun is dog.
Ball.
How tragic for them.
Ball dropped. We have the ball.
Boom.
Our reserves depleting. Watch my back.
Stole my kill again.
Frag out.
Double kill. Killing spree. Ball dropped.
Allied carrier down. Be proud, Spartan. Targets are over there.
Double kill. Have the ball.
4v4 actually.
If this was like a 10v10 or something, this would be insane. But definitely too big.
Frag out. Enemy
I'm gonna finish this VR couple mags that I got.
Power items now available.
How do you use an overshield?
Oh! Oh! Yo! Ooh. Had to hit a little crispy one before you got off.
Lost the lead.
How? How, Sway?
Power items inbound.
Hey, yo! Relax! Let me finish my kill, yo. That's not even cool. This freaking cheating gun that she was tracking bombs. Jesus Christ.
I killed the kid with the sniper, and then I got killed by somebody else. I couldn't even use it. I'm mad on that.
Overshield obtained.
What's up? Oh, don't run now. What's up? Got a little too happy with the Halo jump right there. It's mine now.
Power reserves depleted. Power items now available.
Double kill. 360.
Sniper, I'm going for that. Wow, you're terrible. This kid literally had me on one health.
That looked.
I've acquired the.
Oh my
the
Jesus
holy sniper.
Christ!
Lost.
Power items on the field.
You're dirt. Doodle butter. The flip was that? Boom. I was about to say, good thing he died because I was about to rage.